Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's little episodes is we're going to be going filtering. If you're like me and you're not very confident at filtering, this is what you need to do. Well, it's not a how-to episode, but what you really need to do is just get out and filter, find spots, find tight spots, find certain, scenarios and filter through them. So I'm just riding around town, city centre, just looking for spots to filter, just looking for certain little things to get my confidence up. Now I must say, my confidence is not high. I do not have a high threshold for this. I'm either I make it through nice and calmly or I die. And that's basically it. There's only them two episodes, calmly or death. So stick with me. Today is all about filtering. Like this, for instance. Maybe not this. Second gear takeoff because I'm an absolute turd. But yeah, today is all about filtering. Now, what is filtering? Filtering is the art of dancing through traffic without dying. Now, is everyone capable of doing that? No. Some of us die. I'm technically the one that is going to die at some point because I'm just awful at filtering. Like now, yeah, this is a typical point, but we'll just stay behind the van. Yeah, so I'm a person that is 100% going to die trying to filter. And I can see it happening. But the only upside is, filtering is all about getting to your destination a little bit faster. And if the destination is heaven, then I'm getting there. Supersonic speed. Supersonic. So I'm going to try and find some busy roads and do some filtering. If I've got the balls for it, that is. I think it gets a little bit busy around here. Now, I know a lot of people have been riding for 20, 30, 40 years and they can dart in and out of traffic like a Speedy Gonzales. But me, that is not going to happen because I am a newbie on a bike, a squiz. A little look down there, we can't really see past them vans, so technically we'll just stay here. And this is the part where I'm not very confident like that. Someone with some technical ability might have got through that. Yeah, that was an ideal spot to filter. And someone with some technical ability would have got through it. But that's where I'm struggling. That is where I'm struggling. We'll just go on this lane. No point in squeezing down the middle. Now, is this going to be an ideal spot for me? Because I just think that lorry's going to kill me. Yeah, that lorry probably would have killed me. So I'm just going to boot it up the air. We'll do this left and we'll go round. Yeah. Fucking go in neutral, will ya? vehicle goes in neutral when it turns green. That is a really nice spot to just go through rather than going all the way around. Ooh, nearly hit the can. Right, this could be our first moment of actual bit of filtering. Easy as you do. Dum, 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 dum. Right, filtering number 2. Just because everyone here is a dickhead, so we'll just go right down the outside at a decent pace, still in line. Easy as it do. Right, this could be filtering number 2 on the cards. Slow it down, second gear, tap it to first, go right the way down. Oh, this one's easy. Oh, this is easy. Right in front of this guy. And we're off. That one was no frills. Oh my god, are we going to get another filtering right here? This is high density traffic. Can we get right down the middle? Is the question. We could go left, I guess. Ford Ranger blocking us for now. We can get through there. Oh yeah. Look at that. This is what we want to see, man. Oh, there's a biker behind us. Pressured. I started to go a little bit faster, started to panic. I heard the exhaust, which was a lot better than mine, and then I just started to panic. I got pressured and I started seeing ghosts, and I could have just took that easy. But that's filtering number 3 or 4. I don't know what the count is, but let's, every experience that we have filtering, it's just going to make us a lot more confident going in the future, and that is the thing. It's all about gaining confidence, getting out there and getting the rides done, getting the hours done, putting the time on the bike, picking up new experiences on the road and becoming a better rider for it. really need to get this fixed. I want to make it perfectly clear that this is not a how-to on how to filter, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just a newbie trying to learn. This is how we're learning, on the job, getting out on the bike and learning. That is it. Ooh, that felt greasy there. I know the weather today looks kind of sunny, but it is absolutely Baltic. It is December after all, and these things, these heated grips, are an absolute lifesaver. Because these gloves are doing absolutely fuck all for me. Right, I'm heading to Queen's Drive. If you're anywhere but Liverpool, you're not going to know where that is. But it's just, you know, it's just a dual carriageway where we can get some vital, hopefully, filtering. Right, we are in the mix. Right, we're in some traffic. Hopefully we can get clips 4 and 5 or 5 and 6 of filtering, or maybe not, you know. We'll get in the middle. That seems like the best place to go. That way we've got an option of left and right. Left is out. That looks out as well. Right, come on, let me get to the front here. I want to get to the front. Make an effort of it, Kyle, come on. Ooh, we're getting squashed. And that is why I nearly die. Right, this is try number 2 of filtering behind this fan, which I don't think I'm going to get again. Oh, it looks so easy, man. Strong effort. How far did he get, by the way, this cyclist? He was like just in front of me. We made it all the way up here. Incredible! Left or right? Left or right is the question. unless it's left. Oh, Jesus. Right people, that is the end of the video. If you like what you've seen and you have any tips for me, then let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, it does help the channel. I do want to grow this, so yeah, see you in the next video guys.